In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a Canon digital camera where the SD card has an error or it's not working, which is very, very common with these digital cameras. So the very first thing I want you to do is turn it off and remove the SD card and the battery. So this is my SD card, and again, this doesn't matter what model Canon that you have. Now this is a PowerShot, but you might have a PowerShot, but you might have an ELPH, you might have a G series, it doesn't matter. Remove the battery. All right, and what I want you to do is keep them out, both the battery and the SD card out for a good 30 minutes. You might want to go ahead and charge your battery and give it 30 minutes. Now look at the gold plates here. You might want to get some rubbing alcohol, so you can use 70% or 90%. Get you a little cotton swab or a little Q-tip. Just get you a little small dab of rubbing alcohol, and you can clean the contacts here. And then you want to make sure that that dries really well. You put everything back in, and when you put the SD card in, you want to make sure you put it in at an angle. So you want to actually push down a little bit to an angle and firmly put it in. You want to see that a lot of times that will fix the issue. Power it on and see if that works. Now that did a soft reset on it. Next thing I want you to do is do a factory reset. And so to do that, go to Menu. If this didn't work, of course, go to the Settings mode right there. Go all the way down. And we're going to reset all. You can go to the right and click OK. And that's a factory reset. Go ahead and click OK. And a lot of times that will fix the issue. See if the SD card starts reading or that error goes away. Now, one of the sure things to do is go to back to the menu. Go back to that little gear, the little tools there, the settings. And what we're going to do is go all the way down to Format right here and click OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to click Format the card that's already in it, and we're going to click OK. And that might take a few seconds, and then see if that works. You're going to find that a lot of times that will fix the issue just doing that. All right, and it's very possible that it could be the SD card, so you might want to replace it with a new one or one that you got already, because these do go bad eventually, these SD cards. Replace it and see if it works. Another thing you can do is test it on your computer. So if you have like a little case for it that you can actually connect it to your desktop or your laptop, try it on a computer and see if it reads. If it doesn't read, then you know it's the card. If it does read on a computer, then you know that the issue is something is wrong with the camera. Check that this door, you might want to actually put it in and out like a few times, like this, firmly. Like do it like 5 or 6 times in and out, and see if that will start reading or fix that error that you got. These doors do wear out, so it could be an issue with the door. So just keep that in mind. Go ahead and see if it does read on a laptop or a desktop. Plug it in and see if it starts reading. If it does, that would be very interesting if it does. But like I said, it could be broken if you've tried all that and it does not work. You can get like a little blower like this. Don't use an aerosol can, but like this. All right. Tell me which one of these methods work, and let me know what model that you have. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.